Should we not say enough is enough and then peacefully start thinking about a total exit of Nigeria? But ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ní ká má worry that things will change. It's just that it will take time in Jesus' name and inshallah. Pé gbogbo nǹkan ṣì máa dá. Ó kàn jẹ́ pé àwọn leaders ta ní nísìn àtàwọn tí wọ́n ń govern ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àwọn ni wọ́n ní honesty, integrity and the truth. This is what Baba Awolowo was saying when he also was in UK during the 1950s. Looking at the development as at the time. Now things have even become much more better. We have a good road network. All these are roads that farmers can use to bring back their produce and take it to the market and sell it. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí ó wà nínú oko ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ́ni, none of them are working because it has been a failure. We keep saying that we have bitumen. Bitumen tí wọ́n fi ṣe gbogbo àwọn títì tẹ́ ń rí. You can see the road network. You can see how the road network continue to serve mostly people around there. But unfortunately, àwọn tó yẹ kó dá sọ̀rọ̀ náà, most of them are still saying, let us restructure Nigeria. Tá bá restructure Nigeria, it will become as powerful. Bóyá Tinubu máa restructure Nigeria, I don't know. I am not sure. But it will be 1 year in office within the next couple of days. 29, I believe, President Tinubu will be 1 year in office. Then after Tinubu bá ṣe tán níjọba, the government goes back to the north. Àwọn ilẹ̀ Haúsá, why is it that àwọn lè máa ṣe oko and they are not having problem with terrorist attack? I know they do have, but ibẹ̀ ló ti ń kó tomato wá, ibẹ̀ ló ti ń kó ọsàn wá, níbẹ̀ ló ti ń kó oríṣiríṣi wá, but nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ti wá, àwa náà ní gbogbo tí ọ̀pọ̀, many diaspora as an example would love to be a farmer because farming is a good business. It brings heavy returns. It also has its own issues, but the most important thing is you must have a government, you must have a system, you must have a government that is dedicated to support farmers, to support the economy, to support enterprises. But unfortunately, that is not going to happen in Nigeria. And many Yoruba people, táwa ń sọ fún pé kí nìkan tí a lè ṣe. There are other things we can do. Ẹ jẹ́ ká béèrè fẹ́tọ́ wa. Ẹ̀tọ́ tá à ń béèrè fún yìí has nothing to do with a political party. None of the politicians or the political party has the will, has the desire, has what it takes to give you exactly what you want. But many people continue to live in denial.